My name is Billy Price. I live in the Lower Mission in Kelowna. I love that it's quiet, it's an established neighborhood, it's got big yards, and it's convenient to get everywhere in town. I chose LUX to renovate my home because of the communication. Brad's really effective when he speaks to you. You understand exactly what the plan is going to be, and he has confidence in his ability to deliver the project the way it's supposed to be. And for me, that was really important. I got a number of quotes and looked and spoke to a number of different companies. To me, it's important to understand not just the pricing, but the deliverables, timelines, and to make sure things are completed the way I want them to be. That really came across strong with my communication with LUX Homes. We were renovating our home, windows, siding, a building wrap, new doors, closing in a couple of windows and creating some new openings. We looked at a number of different things. The house is older. It was built in 1979, so that presented some potential concerns. But LUX were really diligent in going through all of the steps and making sure that everything was followed. We were really confident that they would be able to deliver our view and our vision to make sure that the home was the way we wanted it to be when it was finished. We chose modern farmhouse because it fits the time and era of the home. It meant that we could have the finishing that we wanted while still having the high efficiency features of the windows and doors, as well as the building wrap and finish to the outside. We encountered a few obstacles along the road. Anything that we did encounter, LUX communicated to us quickly. They came up with solutions to the problems. They gave us options, and they were really effective in the way that they dealt with anything that came up. We understood the problem or the concern, and they made sure that we were able to move forward with an educated decision as to how best to fix any issues. Throughout the process, we made a few changes. Initially, we were going to have a bigger renovation, then we shrunk the renovation. It was a small renovation. And Brad and his team really helped us decide on where it would be the best fit for us, what was the best use for our budget, and how we would get the best return on our investment, putting the money back into our home. The process was really seamless. We moved through things quite quickly. Brad was a really effective communicator. The best thing, obviously, about any renovation is the end and seeing the finished product. We're really happy with the finished product. The project has definitely delivered what we were looking for in a refresh to the visual and the aesthetics of our home. The siding and building wrap will definitely help the efficiency. As we go into the winter, the windows and doors make a massive difference to a 40-year-old home. The most enjoyable part about working with Brad and the team at LUX was the communication, the efficient process, and they're a good team. His guys on site were always clean, polite, efficient. They respected that they're in your home, and they were really able to communicate effectively what was going to be happening on site each day. And his site manager, Chris, did a great job in making sure any questions were answered. Anytime people ask me who renovated my home, I tell them very proudly that it was LUX Homes. I tell them that Brad's a good communicator, that they can trust his word, and that he will definitely deliver on his projects. I'm always happy to refer LUX Homes for any renovation or new construction build.